Hello everyone! Today I'm excited to show you how to jazz up your Instagram notes with some festive celebration effects. If you're looking to add a little extra sparkle to your messages, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, launch the Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap the message icon at the top right corner of your home screen to open your direct messages. At the top of your chat list, you'll see the Notes section. Tap on your profile picture or the note at the beginning of this section. A new screen will pop up where you can add your note. Type out your message, whether it's happy birthday, congrats, or just a cheerful greeting. Spice up your message by adding some festive emojis. Think party poppers, party face, balloons, cakes, gift boxes, and more. Just sprinkle these emojis into your note to create a celebration effect. Once you're happy with your note and emojis, tap the share button to post it. Your friends and followers will now see your festive note with celebration bubbles when they view your message. Hope you enjoyed this quick guide. If you found it helpful, make sure to like this post and follow me for more great content. Happy celebrating!